everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 14E from chapter Equation of a Line. So starting with question number 36. Find the equation of line through the intersection of lines 2x minus y equals to 1 and 3x plus 2y equals to minus 9 and making an angle of 30 degrees with positive direction of x-axis. There is a line which is passing through the intersection of lines 2x minus y equals to 1 and 3x plus 2y equals to minus 9. So there are two lines which are intersecting at some point, and through this point there is third line passing. So first let us draw these two lines. There are two lines which are intersecting at some point. Okay. दोनों का इक्वेशंस दिया है. एक का इक्वेशन है 2x माइनस वाई इक्वल्स टू 1 एंड दूसरे का इक्वेशन है 3x प्लस 2y इक्वल्स टू माइनस 9. दे आर इंटरसेक्टिंग एट सम पॉइंट. लेट्स से द पॉइंट इज P. थ्रू दिस पॉइंट देयर इज थर्ड लाइन पासिंग जिसका इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो देयर इज अ लाइन पासिंग थ्रू दिस पॉइंट. So this line is making an angle of 30 degrees with positive direction of x-axis. So this line is making an angle of 30 degrees with positive x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis means positive x-axis के साथ angle is 30 degrees. Alright, so I'll repeat. There is a line whose equation we have to find out. And this line is passing through the point of intersection of two other lines जिसका equations दिया हुआ है. And this line which is passing through point P is making an angle of 30 degrees with positive x-axis. So x-axis say if you go anti-clockwise the angle is 30 degrees. Okay. So we have to frame the equation of this line. To frame the equation, first thing that we need is slope. Slope you will easily get from the angle. Angle हम लोग को पता है it is 30 degrees. So theta is 30 degrees. It is going to be plus 30. Okay, positive होगा because it is making an angle of 30 degrees with positive x-axis. If they would have given negative x-axis, then the angle would be negative. Okay. So it is 30 degrees. Slope is tan theta. So that will be tan 30. You are supposed to know standard values ka table, right? So tan 30 you are supposed to know it is 1 upon root 3. So slope we'll easily get from the angle theta se mil jayega. Now it is passing through the point P also. है ना? This line is making an angle 30 degrees and passing through point P. So if I get P ka coordinates, I will have one point का coordinates. I'll have x1, y1. I'll have m. So I can use the formula y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. x1, y1 put करेंगे, m put करेंगे and you will get the equation of this line. So we need p का coordinates. p का coordinates I'll easily get. All I need to do is solve the two linear equations. It is the point of intersection of two lines, है ना? ये दो equations का solution है. So when you solve the two linear equations, you will get x and y का value, and जो x and y का value मिलेगा, that will be the coordinates of the point P. Okay. So we need to find P का coordinates and find the slope, and then you will get the equation using the formula. So let us solve now with proper steps. First we will find the coordinates of P by solving the two linear equations. So just write down, let P be the point of intersection of two lines. Let P be the point of intersection of lines 2x minus y equals to 1 and 3x plus 2y equals to minus 9. So we'll solve the two linear equations. Mark this as 1 and the other equation as 2. कोई भी एक वेरिएबल का कोएफिशिएंट सेम करना है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y सेम. यहाँ पे y का कोएफिशिएंट 2 है, सो हियर वील मेक 2 बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग द इक्वेशन बाय 2. सो वील मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 1 by 2, मल्टीप्लाइंग equation 1 by 2. 2 into 2x minus y equals to 1. That will give 4x minus 2y equals to 2. Okay. So mark this as 3. Now 2 and 3 देखो. Y का coefficient same है and the signs are opposite. Whenever the signs are opposite, you add the equations. So let's add 2 and 3. Adding equations 2 and 3. 3x plus 2y equals to minus 9 and 4x minus 2y equals to 2. 2y cancel हो जाएगा. This will give 7x and 2 minus 9 will give minus 7. So x is minus 7 upon 7, minus 1 हो जाएगा. Okay. We got x का value. We'll find y का value by substituting value of x in either of the three equations. I'll substitute it in 1. सबसे easy equation है. Okay. So substituting x equals to minus 1 in equation number 1. So 2 into minus 1 minus y equals to 1. That will give minus 2 minus y equals to 1. Shifting 1 over here and y over here. Minus 2 minus 1 equals to y. That is minus 3 is equals to y. So y is minus 3. Minus 1 comma minus 3. We got the coordinates of p. Okay. Minus 1 comma minus 3. We got the values of x and y. That is, we got the coordinates of p. So write down p is minus 1 comma minus 3. Now we need to find out the slope. Okay. So for the line passing through point P and making an angle of 30 degrees with positive x axis, theta will be 30 degrees. So we'll find the slope now. It is tan theta. That is tan 30. Tan 30 from standard value table, it is 1 by root 3. Okay. We have m, we have x1, y1. Let us frame the equation. So write down for the given line, m is 1 upon root 3 and p minus 1 comma minus 3 is x1, y1. So the equation of the line is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is minus 3. Put box brackets outside. Okay. M है 1 upon root 3 because we'll shift root 3 on the other side. Over here again x1 negative है, so put box brackets outside. X minus minus 1 हो जाएगा. Shifting root 3 on the other side, it will get multiplied. So root 3 into minus minus plus हो जाएगा. And over here 1 into minus minus यहाँ पे भी plus हो जाएगा. So we have root 3y plus 3 root 3 equals to x plus 1. Over here just shift 3 root 3 on the other side. Okay. So group the numbers together. Root 3y equals to x plus 1 minus 3 root 3. This will be the equation of the line. In your textbook, they have given in standard form. So in standard form, y is on one side and all the terms are on the other side and y का coefficient 1 होगा. So here we have root 3. So shift root 3 on the other side, it will get divided. Okay. Every term will be divided by root 3. So x upon root 3 हो जाएगा, then 1 upon root 3 हो जाएगा and यहाँ पे 3 root 3 upon root 3 हो जाएगा. So root 3 cancel हो गया, so it will give 3. Okay. So in standard form this will be the equation. I have skipped the steps. Okay. You have to show the working. So you can box either of the two and write down the final statement. The equation of the line is root 3y equals to x plus 1 minus 3 root 3. or y is equal to x upon root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 3. Next question, question number 37. Find the equation of the line through the points a minus 1 comma 3 and b 0 comma 2. Hence, show that the points a, b and c 1 comma 1 are collinear. It's a very easy question. There's a line passing through the points a and b. So let's draw the line. A है, b है. A का कोऑर्डिनेट्स है -1, 3, B का कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 0, 2. Okay. First we need to find the equation of this line. It's very easy. To find the equation you need to find out the slope. Okay. So slope पहले find out करना पड़ेगा. So take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. स्लोप का फॉर्मूला क्या है? y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1 और y1 माइनस y2 अपॉन x1 माइनस x2. ओके, सो यू विल इजीली गेट द स्लोप ऑफ द लाइन. ओके, m मिल जाएगा. आफ्टर दैट टेक x1 y1 एंड m एंड फ्रेम द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन. y माइनस y1 इक्वल्स टू m इंटू x माइनस x1. x1 y1 एंड m का वैल्यूज पुट करो, यू विल गेट द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन ए बी using the formula. Okay, other formula also you can use over here, that is y equals to mx plus c. ये भी यहाँ पे यूज कर सकते हैं. m तो मिल ही रहा है, c यहाँ पे पता है, y इंटरसेप्ट वी नो. b का कोऑर्डिनेट्स देखो, x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है, so therefore b is lying on y axis. Okay, so B is basically the point where it is meeting y axis, so y intercept पता है, it is y coordinate, that is 2. Okay, so you can use this formula or this formula, any one of the two. Okay, I'll be using this formula, normal formula use करेंगे. Okay, so once you get the equation, hence show that the points A, B and C are collinear. You need to prove that A, B and there is one more point C, they are collinear. Collinear means they are lying on the same line. So A, B and एक और point है C 1, 1. You need to prove they are lying on the same line. A and B तो lie कर रहा है, that is how we got the equation. But C को prove करना है, that C is also lying on the line. So hence show that बोला है. Therefore you have to use the equation of the line to show that C is lying on the line. Now if any point is lying on the line, then it has to satisfy the equation. Okay, so if C is lying on the line AB, it has to satisfy the equation of the line AB. So जो भी equation होगा, let's say the equation is x plus 2y equals to 3, ऐसा कुछ है. Then when you put the x and y coordinates of C over here, then it has to satisfy the equation. LHS and RHS equal मिलना चाहिए. So if you get it equal, therefore it is satisfying the equation, and if it satisfies the equation, therefore it is lying on the line, and therefore A, B and C all three are lying and they are collinear. Okay, so all you have to do is put the coordinates in the equation. If it satisfies, then yes, the points are collinear. Okay, so you should get it because you have to prove. Okay, so let us solve now with proper steps. Draw the figure and then start with the solution. So first we'll write down the coordinates of A and B. A -1, 3 we are taking as x1 y1 and B 0, 2 as x2 y2. Okay, first we'll find out the slope of the line, then frame the equation. So slope will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 है 2, y1 है 3 upon x2 is 0, x1 is -1. So 2 minus 3 is -1 and 0 minus minus plus हो जाएगा. So -1 upon 1 is nothing but 1. Okay, sorry, -1, my mistake. -1 हो जाएगा slope. We have m, we have x1 y1. Let us frame the equation. So write down for the line AB, m is -1 and A -1, 3 is x1 by 1. Okay, So the equation of line AB is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. y1 है 3, m is minus 1, x minus x1 is minus 1. So put box brackets outside. y minus 3 equals to minus 1 into minus minus plus हो जाएगा. Okay. So y minus 3 equals to, signs will change, minus 1 into x minus x, minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1. Okay. x वाला टर्म नेगेटिव है, so I'm going to shift it over here. प्लस हो जाएगा, so x plus y and 3 over here, so 3 minus 1, that will give 2. So x plus y equals to 2. Box कर दो. We got the equation of the line AB. Okay. So it is x plus y equals to 2. First part हो गया, we got the equation. After this, write down the statement. The equation of the line AB is x plus y equals to 2. We need to prove that A, B and C are collinear. For that, C has to satisfy the equation. So put the coordinates, x की जगह पे 1, y की जगह पे 1, you will get LHS equal to RHS. So after that you can see that it satisfies the equation, therefore it lies on the line, therefore they are collinear. Okay. Write down the coordinates of C first. Now we'll put the values in the equation. So write down, if C1, 1 lies on the line AB, it has to satisfy the equation. So write down, putting x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 in LHS of the equation. So LHS क्या है equation का? It is x plus y and RHS is 2. Okay. So 1 plus 1, that will give 2, which is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore C1, 1 satisfies the equation x plus y equals to 2. Therefore C1, 1 lies on the line AB. Therefore A, B and C are collinear. So write down, therefore A, B and C are collinear. This final statement is very important. Don't forget this part. Okay. Let's solve the next question. Question number 38. Three vertices of a parallelogram ABCD taken in order are A3, 6, B5, 10 and C3, 2. Find first part the coordinates of the fourth vertex D. Second part length of diagonal BD. Third part equation of side AB of parallelogram ABCD. There is a parallelogram ABCD. So let's draw the parallelogram. Name it carefully. पूरा circle complete करो. Okay. Either anti-clockwise or clockwise. So ABCD is the parallelogram and A का coordinates है 3, 6, B का coordinates 5, 10, C का coordinates है 3, 2. First we need to find the coordinates of fourth vertex D. D का coordinates find out करना है. D is the point where AD and CD are meeting. है ना? AD and CD are meeting at point D. So to find the coordinates, I need to know AD and CD का equations. Solving the two equations, I will easily get the coordinates of D. दो linear equations चाहिए जिसको solve करके x and y का value मिलेगा, and जो x and y का value मिलेगा, that will be the coordinates of D. So we need equation of AD and CD. AD का equation find out करने के लिए I have one point का coordinates, but I need slope. AD का slope I can easily get from the parallel line BC because they are opposite sides of parallelogram, therefore they are parallel and therefore the slopes will be equal. parallel lines have equal slopes, right? So AD का slope I can get from BC का slope, okay? BC का slope मुझे easily मिल जाएगा. I know coordinates of B, I know coordinates of C. Using the formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, I'll get the slope of BC. So BC का slope से मुझे AD का slope मिलेगा, and then I can frame the equation of AD, okay? Same way to find CD का equation, I need slope of CD. I have C का coordinates, but I need slope. So slope of CD will be equal to slope of the parallel line AB और BA. So जो भी CD का slope होगा वो BA का slope होगा and vice versa. So BA का slope पहले मुझे find out करना पड़ेगा, okay? Once I get the slope, then CD का slope I'll easily get, and BA का slope I can easily find. I know coordinates of A, I know coordinates of B, okay? So to find the coordinates of D, I need equations of AD and CD. And to get the equations of AD and CD, I need slopes of AD and CD. And to get the slopes of AD and CD, I need slopes of AD का parallel side BC and CD का parallel side BA. Okay. So first we'll find the slopes of BC and BA, and then we'll get the slopes of AD and CD. Once you get the slopes of AD and CD, you will frame the equations of AD and CD, and then solving the two linear equations, you will get the coordinates of D. So first part के लिए ये procedure होगा, okay? In second part of the question, we have to find the length of diagonal BD. So join BD. BD का length find out करना है. For that we need the coordinates of B and D. B का coordinates I already have, and D का coordinates I'm finding in first part. So I'll get D का coordinates, okay? Now you'll use distance formula to find the length of the diagonal. So by distance formula, x1 minus x2 the whole का square plus y1 minus y2 the whole का square under root, okay? So take B का coordinates as x1 y1 and D का coordinates as x2 y2. Put करो and solve करो, you will get the length of diagonal BD, okay? So whenever they ask for length of a side of a diagonal, then you will use distance formula, all right? So ये मुझे easily मिल जाएगा, okay? Third part, equation of side AB of parallelogram ABCD, ये easiest है. AB का equation find out करना है. Now equation के लिए we need slope, and AB का slope we are finding in first part, है ना? First part में when we need CD का slope, we are finding AB का slope. So जो AB का slope होगा, we already have. A का coordinates I'll take as x1 y1 and use m and x1 y1 and frame the equation. Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1, okay? So जो भी slope होगा वो put करो. A का coordinates put करो. I'm taking A का coordinates as x1 y1. You can take B also, okay? So you will get the equation of the line AB. All right. So let us solve now with proper steps. Draw the figure first and then write down quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, and then write down the coordinates of A, B and C. Okay. So first we need to find out the coordinates of D, for which we need AD and CD का equation. For that we need AD and CD का slope. So AD से parallel side है BC, we need BC का slope, and CD से parallel side है AB, so we need AB का slope. AB and BC का slopes find out करते हैं पहले, okay? So slope of AB, subtracting y coordinates first. So 10 minus 6 upon 5 minus 3. You can go like this also, 6 minus 10 upon 3 minus 5, okay? So this will give 4 upon 2, that is 2. Slope of AB मिल गया, okay? Let us find out slope of BC. This we got, 2 है, okay? So slope of BC, 2 minus 10 upon 3 minus 5. so that will give minus 8 upon minus 2, so that is 4. Okay, minus ऊपर जाएगा, minus into minus plus, so slope of BC we got as 4. Now we got AB का slope, so AB का slope is equal to CD का slope because they are parallel lines, so इसका भी slope 2 हो जाएगा. Same way BC is parallel to AD, therefore इसका slope 4 हो जाएगा. Parallel lines have equal slopes, so you have to give the reason. Okay, write down AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. Opposite sides of parallelogram. Okay, you have to write down full word. Okay, I'm not writing down full words, short में लिखा है. AB is parallel to CD, so जो भी AB का slope होगा वही CD का slope होगा. So write down, therefore slope of AB is equal to slope of CD, that is 2. And same way slope of BC is equal to slope of AD is equal to 4. Okay, so we got the slopes of AD and BC. Okay, so AD का equation we can easily frame. We have M, we have x1 y1, so using the formula y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Same way CD का भी equation find out करेंगे. Then we'll solve the two equations and find out D का coordinates. First let's find out the equation of AD. So write down, for AD slope is 4 and A का coordinates we know 3, 6, which we are taking as x1 y1. Okay, so the equation of line AD is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. y minus y1 है 6, m is 4, x minus x1 is 3. So y minus 6 equals to 4x minus 12. Over here write down the equation in linear equation form. Linear equations में x and y are in LHS and the number is in RHS. So we'll write down the equations in that form only. AD and CD दोनों का equations, because we have to solve the two equations and find D का coordinates. Okay, so I'll shift y over here. Okay, because I want to keep x positive. So 12 को यहाँ पे shift करेंगे. 12 minus 6 and 4x minus y हो जाएगा. This will give 6 equals to 4x minus y. Now switch the sides. 4x minus y equals to 6. Mark this as 1. We got the equation of AD. Okay, so I'll write down over here 4x minus y equals to 6. Let us find out the equation of CD. For CD we got the slope, it is 2, so m is 2 and C का coordinates, that is 3, 2 we'll take as x1 y1. Okay, so the equation of line CD is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. y minus y1 is 2, m is 2, x minus x1 is 3. y minus 2 equals to 2x minus 6. Again we'll express this in linear equation form. So y को I'll shift over here, 6 over here. So 6 minus 2 equals to 2x minus y. 4 equals to 2x minus y. Switch the sides. 2x minus y equals to 4. So ये linear equation के form में हो गया. Okay, so 2x minus y equals to 4. Mark this as 2. ये हो गया CD का equation. Let us solve the two equations. y का कोएफिशिएंट सेम है. ओके, 1 ही है यहाँ पे. सो वी कैन subtract the equations. Sign same है, so you subtract the equations. So let's subtract the two equations and find out the values of x and y. Let's solve the two equations. Now यहाँ पे y का कोएफिशिएंट सेम है. ओके, 1 ही है दोनों में. So we don't need to make the coefficient same. but the signs are same. So whenever the signs are same, you subtract the two equations. So I'll subtract 2 from 1. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. So 2 we are subtracting, therefore 2 का सारा signs change हो जाएगा. So 1 as it is. जो सेकेंड इक्वेशन है 2x माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस वाई प्लस हो जाएगा एंड 4 नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. ओके, 6 माइनस 4 2, माइनस वाई प्लस वाई कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 4x माइनस 2x विल गिव 2x. So x is equal to 2 upon 2, that is 1. Put the value of x in one of the two equations. So putting x equal to 1 in 2. Okay. So 2 into 1 minus y equals to 4. That is 2 minus y equals to 4. That is minus y equals to 4 minus 2. So that will give minus y equals to 2. So y is minus 2. Okay. x का वैल्यू मिल गया, y का वैल्यू मिल गया, that is पॉइंट D का वैल्यू मिल गया. So write down therefore D is 1 comma minus 2. Okay. So first part of the question we solved. Now we'll proceed to the second part of the question, finding the length of diagonal BD. For diagonal BD, write down B and D का coordinates. B is 5 comma 10 and D का coordinates we just found, it is 1 comma minus 2. Okay, we need to find the length of diagonal BD. So by distance formula, I am directly calculating. Okay, you can take B का coordinates as x1 y1 and D का coordinates as x2 y2. Okay, so I'll be calculating directly. Square root of 5 minus 1 the whole का square plus 10 minus minus 2 the whole का square. Be very careful with signs. Okay, so square root of 4 का square हो जाएगा plus minus minus plus हो जाएगा. So 10 plus 2 का square, that will give 16 plus 12 का square, that is 16 plus 144. So that is 160. Okay, length of BD we are getting as root 160. 160 is not a perfect square, so यहाँ पे factorize करते हैं. Okay, it's actually easy. You will get 4 root 10. Okay, 4 root 10 मिलेगा आंसर. So those of you who have difficulty, I'm just showing this. 2 80s are, 2 40s are, 2 20s are, 2 10s are and 2 5s are, 5 1s are. So ये सारे factors हैं. Make group of 2. Okay, same numbers का 2 का group बनाओ. So these two and बाकी का बच गया. Okay, so out of these two only 1 2 will come out. Out of these two only 1 2 and ये 2 और 5 तो as it is ही रहेगा because यहाँ पे कोई group नहीं बना है. So 2 into 5 is 10. So 10 will remain inside and यहाँ पे 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 root 10 units. Units मत भूलना. Okay, you have to write down something units because length है. So length का यहाँ पे unit हम लोग को नहीं पता है, सेंटीमीटर है, मीटर है, we don't know. So just write down 4 root 10 units. Okay, so length of BD we got. Box कर दो and write down the final statement. Length of diagonal BD is 4 root 10 units. Okay, now we'll proceed to the third part of the question. For third part of the question we need to find the equation of side AB. So AB के लिए we know the slope, we already found it in first part. We have slope that is m. Take any one point का coordinates as x1 y1. So I'll be taking coordinates of A as x1 y1. you have m, you have x1, y1. Use the formula y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Frame the equation. So write down for AB, slope is 2 and A 3, 6 I am taking as x1, y1. Okay. So the equation of side AB is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. y1 has 6, m is 2, x minus x1 is 3. So y minus 6 equals to 2x minus 6. Minus 6 cancel हो जाएगा. So y is equal to 2x. Box this. This is the free equation of the side AB. Okay. So box कर दो and write down the final statement. Equation of side AB of parallelogram ABCD is y equals to 2x. Okay. I'm not writing down the final statement. You have to write down.